Hello everyone. So in this video, I will explain memory management and garbage collection. So do you know about the memory management and garbage collection? If you don't know, so watch this video and then after that you will understood. So memory management and garbage collection are crucial concept in programming language. It that ensure efficient use of system memory and prevent memory leaks. Okay, so first of all I will explain memory management. That is a very important question for the purpose of interview. In interview ask so in interviewer so many time ask this question. In memory management, memory management is the process of allocating using the freeing memory during the execution of a program. It can be manual or automatic. Automatic. Manual in the sense that the programmer explicitly allocates and deallocates memory. Example C or C++. And the automatic it can be the system runtime environment handles memory allocation and cleanup. Example Java, Python, and JavaScript. So next I will explain garbage collection. So garbage collection is an automatic memory management technique that reclaims memory occupied by objects that are no longer reachable or used in the program. So if I talk about the languages, so languages like Java, Python and JavaScript have built-in garbage collector. So I'm taking this example from the like object like first of all I explain one function. In that function name let's say example and then let obj and name is John, and if I will do console.log obj.name, so I will got the output obj. So what does happen here, like obj is used here, okay, in this obj is used here, see, yeah, and after this obj is not used for reference, javascript gc will be automatically reclaim this memory. Okay, once the function completes, the object reference is lost, and since nothing else refers to it, the garbage collector will free the memory used by obj. So that is the example of this like memory garbage collection. So how garbage collector works? So it is works for different strategies. So first of all it is work from the like reference counting, track how many reference point to an object. Problem can't handle circular references. And also we can use like mark and sweep. Mark all objects reachable from routes, an example like global variables and stack, and sweeps. Unmark unreachable objects and reclaim their memory. And the next is generational GC. Divide memory into generational young objects are collected more frequently. And why it matters? So it matters without proper memory management, memory leaks can occur and performance drops due to unnecessary memory uses. And the should be app can be crashes due to running out the memory. So that is all about memory management and garbage collection. If you have any doubt, you can comment down. I hope you understood what is memory management and garbage collection. If you like this video, so please share and subscribe. Thank you.